What you doing? How you doing? It's Jemmy the Kitten X. And I have another unboxing. Shopkins unboxing. You wanna open it? Well, let's open it. Because it's Christmas, I thought it would be fun for it to be wrapped. Just so you know, I didn't wrap it, so it's more of a surprise for me, and I got this a long time ago. It's even more of a surprise for me. Yeah. Okay, so there's a hat, a shoe, French fries, and candy apple. See? Hat, French fries, candy apple, shoe. Okay, you guys ready to open it? Let's go. Oh yeah. Open it without looking. Here we go. Okay, you know, this is really hard. Okay, here, I'm just gonna tear it right here. That can get it opened in no time. And if it's not even attached to the plastic, then it can come off. Okay, we got it, we got it. So I thought, okay, there's this. We got it. We got it. And this is what it looks like. And these Shopkins aren't just coming out. See? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out. There's also a surprise Shopkin inside, as usual. Now season 2 is the only one that I've opened before. It should say what season it is. Anyway, let's get started opening them. So we have these cute, whoops. We have these cute Shopkin bags. They're like rubbery. I always thought they were plastic, but guess not. Hi, my name is Shopkin bag. Okay, so our first Shopkin is him. And let's see what his name is. Okay, it should be in international food. Okay, Fiona Fries, and she is common, or he, yeah, she, definitely. Next we have, ooh, I'm gonna take out the shoe. Ta-da! Okay, we have a cute little green shoe. And let me see. It is, okay, it's definitely Sneaky Sally, and it is rare. Cool. We got one common and one rare so far, and we still have 3 more. Yeah, 3 more. Let's get the hat. I really want to say this is Hattie Hat, but I don't think so. I really don't think so. Hattie Hat is actually right below it. Oh, where is it? Yeah. So the one that we have is right there. It says Shady. And Hattie Hat is right above it. Not below. See? Hattie Hat. Next we have the one I was saving for last. The cutest. The little cute little feet. Okay. Let me get my list and we can see who it is. Just a minute. Okay, probably in Sweet Treats. Okay, Her name is Candy Apple, and she is common. So far, we have one more left, and we have gotten Shady, Sneaky Sue, Candy Apple, and what was her name? Fiona Fries. I'm just saying random things, but that might be her name. Fiona Fries. I got it right. Yay! Okay, let me just move them over here. And, well, look, this video isn't over. We have one more. This is the best because it's covered up. So, when you get it, it's hidden. You think you don't even have it in there, but really you do, so let's get it out. It's taped. Okay. I didn't mean for it, but that tape actually ripped it, so let's go. Ooh. Who is it? Who is it? Okay, wait. Windy washer machine. Windy washy. Windy washing machine. Let's see how I got it. Windy washer. Windy. Okay, let's just see. I remember watching one of my subscribers' videos, and they got this, and I remember it was windy. Windy something. Aw, man. I was so close. Wait. I got an ultra rare. And her name is Washa. Yep. Washa. So we got Washa, Sneaky Sue, Candy Apple, Fiona Fries, and Shady. If you ask me, they're pretty cool Shopkins. And still, I don't know what season they're from. I know they're not season 2 because I opened season 2 in the other one, in my other videos, and I did not recognize getting any of these or even seeing any of these on the shopping list. So, anyway, if you want to subscribe, like, comment, and if you want, you can check out my brother's channel, Elemental Lobster X, and my mom's channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Somehow, I can never say that right. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye!